Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a gym smoothie. Crafting the perfect gym smoothie starts with a good foundation. First, choose a liquid base, perhaps 1 cup of water or unsweetened almond milk. Then, add 1 or 2 scoops of your favorite protein powder for muscle recovery. Don't forget healthy fats, like 1/4 of an avocado, and a handful of colorful fruits and vegetables for vital nutrients. For a pre-workout boost, focus on quick energy and easy digestion. Combine 1 ripe banana with half a cup of rolled oats for sustained fuel. A small amount of protein, like 10 grams of whey, can help maintain energy. Consider adding a shot of espresso or a 1/4 cup of strong green tea for a natural stimulant. This blend will power your workout without weighing you down. After your workout, recovery is key. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein, perhaps from 2 scoops of protein powder to repair muscles. Combine this with fast-acting carbohydrates, like 1 cup of frozen berries, to replenish energy stores. A small piece of fresh ginger or a handful of spinach can provide anti-inflammatory benefits. Don't forget electrolytes, maybe from half a cup of coconut water. Personalizing your gym smoothie is simple and fun. Feel free to experiment with various fruits, vegetables, and superfoods, like a tablespoon of chia seeds, to find your favorite combinations. Adjust the amount of liquid to achieve your desired thickness, from a thin drink to a thick smoothie bowl. If you use supplements, add them in. Prepping ingredients beforehand saves you valuable time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.